What it is, YouTube? It's your boy Kingish Mindset, back with another video. And today we're going to be talking about, in order to win, you must lose. Losing is a part of the journey. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple of y'all been emailing me like lately, you know what I'm saying? Talking about like things is kind of hard for you, especially the kings out there on your semen retention journey. I mean, that's why we do it, you know what I'm saying? It's a great challenge. This is the hardest thing to do. And I know y'all be talking about y'all took a couple losses and all that. Man, all the great ones, everybody that's great took losses. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody just gonna have a straight ride. Ain't nobody just gonna have a joy ride to the top. You have to take losses. You're gonna go through it. That's just life in general. That's just life itself. So if you're going through stuff on your journey, you're supposed to go through it. Don't beat yourself up about it. You're a warrior. God gives his toughest battles to his warriors. You know what I'm saying? You are a warrior. The reason why you're going through so much on this journey is because you are a warrior. Nobody's perfect. I go through a lot myself. You know what I'm saying? I took a lot of losses. I took a couple L's. But I always made sure I bounce right back. That's what you gotta do. When you take an L, it's not even a loss. That L stands for lessons. You're never ever taking a loss. You know what I'm saying? If you think it's a loss, it's most definitely a W. It's a win. Everything that you do is a win, good or bad, because you can learn from every experience. Every single experience that you go through in life, from every day, it's a W. No matter what it was, it's a W, because in every experience is a lesson. So you just gotta get your mind right. You just gotta get your mental, gotta get it right. Some people be like going through stuff. They could be on semen retention and just going through a lot in their head. That's why you go through it. It's because you're on a journey. It's because you're on retention. And when you're on retention, the intense is it multiplies. So everything just multiplies. Even your thinking, you're gonna start overthinking. But in order to master your thinking, you must speak and think positivity at all times. Because once you do it at all times, it becomes a habit. And now it's programmed in your subconscious mind. Say if you're thinking like, I'm wealthy, I'm healthy. If you think about that every day, all day, it's going to be stuck. You can't do nothing about it. It's going to be stuck in your subconscious mind. Oh, I'm healthy, I'm wealthy. Next thing you know, it's playing out into your reality. It's true. It came true. You manifested it. So if you're on this journey and you having hard times and battles with your mind, simply you can control. It's simple. It's really simple. I used to think this myself. I used to think it was hard until I forced myself to think positive. And then once I done that, it became easy. And then once it became easy, it was out of my control. It was doing this on its own because it's programmed in my subconscious. On this journey, you're going to relapse. Nobody's perfect. You know what I'm saying? We're men. I mean, we like women. So you might relapse. And once you do not beat yourself up about it. It's all in your head. It's okay. The universe sees you trying. God sees you trying. So you can't beat yourself up, because nobody's perfect. That's what the journey is about. It's a journey for a reason. That's why it's called journey. There's nobody ever in the history of semen retention just when the first time of them ever trying it just went a year. The first time of them ever trying semen retention, they went a whole year. Nobody. It's steps. It's step by step. You take baby steps and move forward. You take baby steps. Oh, you fell back. Get back up. Move forward. You fell again. Get back up and move further than what you did the last time. You know what I'm saying? So that's all there's to it, man. Losses is a part of the journey. And a loss is never a loss. It's a lesson, which means it's a W. Shout out to all my kings out there. Shout out to all my queens out there. Y'all keep doing y'all thing as well. Feel me? Hey, the queens are queens for a reason. You know what I'm saying? They the manifestors. Feel me? Shout out to the KM gang. Y'all be safe.